The last gas law we're going to look at in this chapter is the ideal gas law. And the ideal gas law uses this equation, PV equals nRT. P stands for our pressure, and the pressure must be in atmospheres, so if it's not, you'll have to convert it. V stands for volume. The volume must be in liters. If it's not, you'll have to convert it. N stands for the number of moles, so if they would give you grams, you would need to change it into moles. R is the ideal gas law constant, which means it is the same number all of the time. And we always know what that number is. It's always this 0.0821. And temperature is the temperature of the gas, and it has to be in Kelvin, which means if it's in Celsius, you'll again have to add 273 in order to get it into Kelvin. So we have a problem where they want us to find the volume. If I have 132 grams of nitrogen gas at 25 degrees Celsius and 1.03 atmospheres. So the first thing is this 132 grams, I'm going to have to change to moles. So I'm going to use the molar mass of 2 nitrogens off the periodic table and take my grams, divide by my molar mass to get my moles. Second step is the 25 degrees Celsius is going to have to be in Kelvin, so I add 273 to convert it into Kelvin. And the 1.03 atmospheres is in atmospheres, so that means the pressure I can just leave alone. So I plugged in the pressure. I don't know V. I plugged in my moles, 4.71. This is the constant, which is always this number. And then I plugged in my temperature, which is the converted one to 298. So I'm going to take the 4.71 times the 0.0821 times 298, and then I'm going to have to divide by the 1.03 from the other side. And I get a volume of 111 liters. So that's how to calculate with the ideal gas law.